Welcome back, everybody, to another Theta Network update for July 25th, 2023. It's Tuesday. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm bringing you another Theta Network update because so much stuff happened after I posted yesterday's video. So it's like, not going to wait. I'm just going to give you the news. So here we go. Let's dive right on in it. So first up with the Theta news is the latest Edge node v4.0.14 is out, adding new FedML AI compute jobs that will increase TFuel earnings. Now, thousands of edge nodes are already processing these jobs. If you're using Windows Edge node, your node has already been updated, so you're good. But if you're using a Mac OS or a new user, just download it here from thetatoken.org and the join section to be able to download it. Now, let's go over this article on the FedML and Theta launch a decentralized AI supercluster for generative AI and content recommendations. Like after this was released, literally Theta was up like 8% today, so it's pretty cool. But yeah, any video content platform experience can now be vastly improved with AI-based video recommendations that suggest the most optimal and personalized videos for each user. Now, the community-powered AI superclusters. The use of AI in enterprise products and services is booming. Forbes on how businesses are using AI in 2023 article. Now, however, in order to build and deploy modern AI models, abundant data, quality data, and additional compute resources are needed. In this all-new implementation, FedML enables Theta Edge network community members to contribute their personal preferences and compute resources to train and deploy AI models for personalized content recommendations for Theta.tv viewers. Now, the screenshot below shows the community of Edge nodes around the world and the Edge compute dashboard of the updated Theta Edge node, which can be downloaded from these following links. So Windows, well, it's already done, but the Mac OS, usually you gotta do that right there. But Docker image is from the Theta token. Actually, that image is from from guardianmonitor.io. Now, decentralized machines learning has significant venture activity in 2023, and given the trend of AI goes decentralized, superclusters based on community-provided compute resources will empower the next generation of models and user experience. Now, Theta Edge nodes power such a decentralized compute approach and rewards Theta's highly engaged community. The rewards comes in two forms. There will be better user experience on Theta.tv, and the node community will be rewarded for the contributions, i.e. enabling AI by the community for the community. Now, FedML has always been about open and collaborative artificial intelligence, with collaborations at the heart of FedML's infrastructure and its easy-to-use MLOP's user interface. This new implementation with Theta takes the collaboration to a whole new level and scale. To deliver this Web3 times AI platform to the community, the two companies built an interdisciplinary team of experts in machine learning, so ML, and the blockchain. Now, computer vision, natural language processing, security with the zero knowledge proofs, and privacy. The FedML clients are integrated into the Theta Edge nodes and will periodically pull data from Theta.tv backend. The FedML training platform will then utilize those Theta Edge nodes and their data to train, fine-tune, and serve the video recommendations model as shown in the diagram below, so right here for you. Now, the FedML module can be used in Theta Edge node Windows and Mac OS GUI versions, as well as the Linux Docker container. Each recommendation model is trained on 100 to 1,000 samples via Edge nodes before it is used to make user recommendations. Now, decentralized training powered by FedML MLOPs. Now, the FedML provides the Theta Labs team and other community computing pioneers a simple-to-use MLOPs platform and UI for training, observing, and serving. There's a blog here, for example, and introductions for it. Now, some of the FedML screens used by Theta recommendation engine are shown below. For training, the Edge device list will be a list of all those in the community who are providing their unused compute. Each time a training run is completed, FedML will provide details such as a status, training compute time for each edge, and observability and the logs. Now, the federated model serving. FedML serving platform will deploy the model to the new community-driven geo-distributed compute. FedML federated model serving platform provides model as a service for diverse AI verticals powered by federated model interference via geo-distributed cloud computing resources. And in the model serving platform, FedML mainly provides four modules for the model card: computing resources, interference, endpoint, and monitoring. Now, each training run automatically produces a model and a model card, which can be converted into the interference endpoint. Now, following the screen shows a deployed endpoint and the example curl demands. That's how that all works. Now, what is next? The application of these technologies are enormous for any video platform, beginning with the Theta community. Any media company can use the power of decentralized ML to better serve their users, the videos they want, increasing watch times, and user engagement. The applications extend well beyond video recommendations. Examples including listing news stories that are more relevant to you, or a streaming platform recommending the movies which may be most helpful and relevant to you, saving you from a painful hour of scrolling through and viewing hundreds of options. Now, new generative AIs may also support the video experience with an automated summaries or generative video content to help suggest gaming strategy. FedML already supports training a serving such as generative AI models. The technology can also be used to improve how video ads are served, a market that is projected to be $177 billion in 2023, according to Statista. Now, FedML and Theta Labs are both based in Silicon Valley and building the next generative of MLOPs with distributed AI training and serving MLOPs. Theta Labs pioneered Theta's network, the next generation of the Layer 1 purpose-built blockchain for video and entertainment, which powers Theta.tv, a decentralized live streaming platform, and Theta Drop, an NFT marketplace partnered with Katy Perry, ABS-CBN, Junkie Media, Fuse Meter, and a bunch of others. Theta's Enterprise Validators and Governance Council is led by global leaders including Google, Samsung, Sony, Creative Artists Agency, Binance, Blockchain Ventures, DHVC, and Gumi. Then you can see the Theta Labs GitHub here and Medium blogs here as well. Now, FedML's MLOP's platform empowers any model to be deployed using distributed training and serving on-prem, cloud, multi-cloud, or geo-distributed compute. And the models FedML deploys range from simple neural network CNNs on up through modern large language models. In all cases, FedML is working with its clients to implement FedML's low-code MLOPs and LLMOPs that scale artificial intelligence deployments. To learn more, if you want to read more of the FedMLs, get started with the blog post and FedML's open source resource. So yeah, that was a lot. But yeah, that was pretty big. Mitch was even saying that Theta and FedML are leading the way in fully distributed Gen AI and ML learning powered by the next generation Edge Network 2.0 and EdgeNet 2.0. So this again, Jordan UTT, you're correct. This was a powerful announcement. And yeah, so very excited. So yeah, you guys can upload your Edge nodes right now. If you're having any issues, I think Gainion mentioned that. Yeah, Edge node updates of v4.0. If you're seeing the following attention notice on your Edge node, please post your address to us on this tweet or in the support channel on Discord. And yes, if you're seeing this issue, then yeah, just tell them your address. That way they can fix that issue for you. But yeah, congratulations, Theta and FedML. And then let's see what else is going on with this. That was just one of the news articles. So let's see, we got some more information on Levita AI. Looks like the total Levita staked right now surpasses 300 million with a staking APY of approximately 100%. We're grateful to our incredibly community for your support and trust in Levita. If you haven't staked your Levita yet, go ahead and try it here at levita.ai/stake. If you need more information, you can check out tons of the Medium blogs out there. To maximize your Levita token journey, we prepared an easy-to-follow guide on how to swap Levita tokens on DEXs. So yeah, you got Theta Swap for a Medium article right there, or Volt Swap, places you can just get your Levita tokens. So there we go. So there's our AI, the med, and whatnot. So now what else is going on? I know Andrea Berry had a couple of interviews out there, and she was talking a little bit. Yeah, she was talking with them. Who are these guys again? They are the Arc Tie. So that's who they are. But she had an interview with him that was pretty great on Theta chasing the social algorithm, with Theta being once, or what did she notice? She noticed that people are chasing the social algorithm. And yeah, that was a great talk with her. So she was too often creators are forced to chase algorithms in order to monetize, which they should be able to focus on what they and their fans deem valuable. I explain more about this in my time at Vimeo in this interview below. So let's listen to this quick little short video, a part of it, of chasing the algorithm from Andrea.
We learn from these creators, and I'm sure you're familiar with this too, is, one of the fitness instructor, I think his name is Millionaire White. He's a really inspiring entrepreneur, has a successful fitness business that he built from zero. And on YouTube, he said, every week I'm chasing an algorithm that's changing. I'm a fitness instructor. I want to focus on creative, my class, my members, that's what I want to focus on. That's my business. And yet YouTube has turned me into this influencer in the wrong direction where I'm chasing an algorithm fitting their mold instead of focusing on what's best for my business and consumers. And I always remember that.
You know,
so that was just one little piece of that interview. If you want to watch the full interview about the Web3 video, you can tune in on ArcTie on YouTube, and the full 90-minute interview is right there for you. So there you have it. And then let's see, let's go over the final little tidbits out there, because Pops and Mags has a new Pinecast out this week, and they're talking with ThetaZilla and MaxStax, or what's the full name? Yep. Max Static stopped by to drop some humble boss news about the bright future of the WWZ and Pixzillas. If you're into Ethereum or Theta NFTs, you may want to take note. Check out here, wherever the podcast you can watch on their website. I listened to it on Spotify this morning. That was a good little interview right there. Also, from Mags, he was going, you can now check out your rarity of your Theta Pogs right now on ThetaRarity.com. So yeah, if you've got one of those Pogs NFTs, you can check out the rarity here on the marketplace, and yeah, check out its level. Which level did you get? And lastly, guys, as a reminder, Wes Sherwin is having his final stream on Theta TV tomorrow. He'll be doing a massive giveaway, so invite people to come on the show and much more. It'll be happening at 8 p.m. Eastern Time on theta.tv/Wes Sherwin, and there's a link in the description box for you. But that will do it for this Theta Network update. Price of Theta right now is at 83 cents with a market cap of $836.1 million. Trading volume is at 30 million. Trading volume is at, or no, total stake nodes out there is 3,047. The Theta being staked and locked away is at 55.42%. TFuel's price is at 4.5 cents right now with a market cap of $274.6 million. Trading volume is at 26.6 million, and total elite edge nodes out there is 8,191. These are edge nodes that have been upgraded to elite status by staking a minimum of 10,000 TFuel to them, and the TFuel staked and locked away is at 38.56%. Now, T-Drop's price is still at 0.0014 cents with a market cap of $15.7 million, and its trading volume is 129,000. Now, the change between Theta and TFuel is Theta right now is up 6.82% in a 24-hour period, and TFuel is up, well, 10%, around 10%, but it's like 9.35% in the 24-hour period. So pretty cool. And as always, we'll finish off with the movement of Theta here on FeelLeak.com. Transactions are taking place. People are going crazy, and it looks like headed from KuCoin, Hubi, up. It's happening everywhere. So yeah, get your Theta while you can, because again, over half of the Theta is being staked and locked away in these Guardian nodes out there. Yep, more than half. We're at 55.42% of the total circulating supply. But that will do it for this Theta Network update. Hope you guys did enjoy the content. And if so, smash that thumbs up for me. Subscribe to the channel. And until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.